So let's begin making this amazing spring onion vegetable. Now I'm going to be heating about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. I've also chopped up the spring onions and kept them ready. Now once our oil is hot, we're going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohri or rye. Once they begin to splutter, I'll be adding about 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Then goes in about 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric. Now I'm going to be putting in the spring onions. I'm going to be giving this all a good mix. Please ensure that you wash the spring onions well and chop them nice and fine, using both the leaves as well as the onion. Now once you've given all of this a thorough mix, a minute or two, now also keep about 4 tablespoons of besan or gram flour ready. So this is a peat perun bhaji, that is, we put gram flour or besan, and that makes the vegetable really very delicious and tasty. Now we're going to cover it and cook it for some time more till the leaves get a little bit cooked and leave out a little bit of moisture. Now we're going to add a little bit of seasoning. So I'm going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add more or you can add less depending upon how spicy you would like to have this vegetable. Then we're going to add some salt to taste. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon and a pinch of sugar. Again, we're going to mix this very well. And again, cover and cook it. So everything comes together well. Now you can just lift it up and stir in between, keeping an eye that the leaves don't get overcooked. Now we're just going to add this 4 tablespoons of besan or gram flour. Again, we're going to mix it well. And now I'm just going to be sprinkling a little bit of water. So maybe about a tablespoon or 2 of water, which will help the gram flour, the besan, get cooked well. And also the leaves have their own moisture. I have a similar recipe for onions. That is, it's called kanda peat perun, and it's so very delicious. This goes so well with some hot rotis or puris or even bhakri, or even as a side dish for some rice. Give all of this a good mix. Now, just to elevate the flavor of the dish, I'm going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. That just elevates the taste and just makes it very, very delicious. Now you have to cover and cook this, say another 2 or 3 times, because we want everything to get well cooked and well incorporated. That is, the gram flour or the besan also doesn't have to be raw, but it has to be cooked well. So you will see me taking off the lid, stirring, again covering about 2-3 times. So this entire thing will take about 5 to 10 minutes. That is the preparation time, or the cooking time rather, for the entire dish. There shouldn't be any raw flour left. And once everything is well cooked, you can just turn off the heat and your dish is all ready. You can cover it and keep it so that the residue heat continues cooking it till everything is nicely done. And your dish is all ready. So enjoy this dish with some nice hot puris or rotis. And it's a nice way of having some spring onion, a different way of eating spring onions. Now, like I promised you, I have a shopping haul. I had gone shopping and for my groceries and other requirements for the home. So I'd like to share that with you as to what all I got. So here are some sponge wipes. Here is some drain edge. Then there is some comfort for the clothes, a fabric conditioner. Then this is a disinfectant surface cleaner. I love the pine flavor. The pine aroma is amazing. Then some Colgate, some air spray, some Surf Excel for my front loading washing machine that I have. Then some Dettol hand wash. I always use Dettol. And some eating marshmallows. We love to heat this on the flame and have it. Then some lovely caramel filled chocolate eclairs. Then, of course, some Maggi. Then I got some seasonings. I found this lovely garlic bread seasoning. Then some tomato ketchup. Then some Szechuan chutney. I got some Sriracha extra hot chili sauce. Then I got some macaroni, some Hershey's caramel syrup, some cheese spread, some extra virgin olive oil, Bonvita, some tea powder. We love this Blue Society tea. Then some Quaker oats for breakfast, some Amul cheese blocks, choco chips. This is the dark chocolate choco chips. Then, of course, some butter, some juice. We love the cranberry. Then some Worcestershire or Worcestershire sauce. So that was my shopping haul, what I would love to share with all of you. So I hope you liked this recipe and this video. So don't forget to leave a big thumbs up if you did by clicking the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshatas recipes. It is completely free. And once you have subscribed, don't forget to click the bell. That way you won't miss out any of my recipes or vlogs that will be coming up on my channel. You will just get a notification that Akshata has put up a new video. So you will not miss anything on my channel. And friends, do visit my channel. At the moment, I have more than 240 recipes. And I have some few vlogs here and there. So don't forget to visit Akshata's recipes, and I have playlists like lunch items, breakfast items, baking, healthy recipes. So, whatever you're looking for, just go to the playlist and you can find the recipe you're looking for. And I would love to thank you for stopping by and visiting my channel, watching my recipes. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I'll catch you in my next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.